Most GenAI tools act like a librarian. You find a document, summarize the text, and leave it up to the model to guess if you're compliant. Hi, I'm James Williams, Elasticsearch specialist. Today I'm showing you an architecture that acts like a lawyer. Instead of just retrieving text, our agent uses Elasticsearch to find and hot load executable business logic in real time. This means the AI doesn't hallucinate your rules, it executes them. I call this deterministic compliance. Let's see it in action. I'm acting as an employee that's considering submitting an $850 team dinner expense. As you can see, the system has 99 different skills loaded, but only one skill should be used to answer this question. If all goes well, Elastic Agent Builder will hot load a Claude agent skill with embedded business logic to answer my question. Now watch closely. The agent doesn't just guess which tool to use. It queries Elasticsearch using hybrid search. It uses semantic search to understand my intent, checking a policy, and lexical search to match specific keywords like expense or dinner. This ensures it finds and hotloads the specific verify expense Python skill auditing my math with actual code, not LLM vibes. As you can see, this specific request does not meet our expense policy. Now here's the reality of enterprise business. Rules change. Usually, if a policy changes, you have to retrain a model or update a hard-coded application. That takes weeks. Watch this. I'm telling the agent to update its skills. Behind the scenes, this triggers an Elastic workflow. The workflow pulls the latest business rules from our skill staging system and loads them into Elasticsearch in real time. We are not retraining the AI. We are simply updating the skill repository. Because the agent uses that hybrid search to look up skills dynamically every single time it runs, the very next question I ask will apply the new rules instantly. Okay, the workload finished. The new policy is live. I'm going to run the exact same prompt I ran a minute ago. I didn't restart the server. I didn't redeploy the agent. But because the agent hotloads the skill from Elasticsearch at runtime, it's now executing the new Python logic we just ingested. And there it is. The outcome is different. Same AI, same prompt, new business logic. That's the power of a dynamic skill repository. Thanks for watching. I hope this walkthrough helps you deliver compelling GenAI solutions. We just scratched the surface of what's possible when you pair Elasticsearch Serverless with Elastic Agent Builder and Claude. By using Elastic workflows to manage those Claude agent skills, you can maintain that strict deterministic compliance without manually updating your application code every time a policy changes. I've linked the documentation and sample code for this architecture in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the community channel for more practical demos. Good luck with your GenAI journey, and I'll see you in the next video.